In 2014, there were 4,887 alcohol-related automobile crashes in Arizona. 238 were fatal, causing 265 deaths. 2,118 alcohol-related crashes caused injuries to 3,146 people. While alcohol-related crashes accounted for only 4.46% of all crashes in Arizona, alcohol-related crashes accounted for over a third of all crash-related fatalities. Over a quarter, 26.7%, of alcohol-related crashes happened during daylight. There are more alcohol-related fatalities from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. on weekdays than during any other hour of the day, including weekends. Over 45% of alcohol-related crashes occurred on weekdays. In 2014, Arizona alcohol-related crashes caused over $24 million in property damage, over $90 million in injuries, and over $400 million in fatalities, totaling over $500 million in damages.